Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove stickers on a TikTok with iPhone. So the thing that you have to do first is open your TikTok application, and of course whenever you open it, the system will be bringing you into the home sections here, but then please take a look on the side. There will be like a home, shop, this plus button to create your content, and box for your chat, and this one is profile. It's just related about everything that you've been created, and you just need to go visit your profile. And after that, please take a look right after your bio. There will be like this line, right? There will be like a segment about some personal things such as your content, and this one it could be a stickers. So you just need to visit the stickers with emoji. If you ever create a stickers, that will be like placed in here, and then the next thing you need to do is just go click the stickers that you want to delete. So let's say I would like to delete this sticker, so you just need to go click it, and there will be pop up several options down part here, and then you just need to go click delete and confirm that you want to delete the sticker from your TikTok account. And whenever you delete it, now the sticker will be gone. So that's all. That is the way how to remove the stickers on your TikTok account. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will like to see you for the next tutorial.